In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Duelist extension and how to use it to complete the next task. First, you're going to click on the link. It's going to take you to the extension and you're going to add it to Chrome. And then you click Add Extension Next. And then from here, you'll see that it's added up here where this puzzle piece sign is. Then I'm going to go back to the formative and I'm going to click on the Google drawing titled Ratio Review. And then it's going to have me make a copy of this Google drawing. When you make a copy of it, this is your own personal copy. So if you change it, it won't affect anyone else's copy. This is yours. In fact, it says, feel free to move around the images to order the pictures into groups to help you answer the questions. Now I'm going to go back to the questions and open that up. And then I'm going to go back to the Google drawing and I'm going to click this puzzle piece. Actually, when you hover over the puzzle piece, it'll say extensions. This is where your extensions are. And then I'm going to click Duelist. Since I opened Duelist, the puzzle piece, from this tab with the pictures are going to go on this left side in each of the ratios. So I'm going to pick the 6:4 ratio. So this would be the larger side, 6, and this would be the smaller side. Now, I don't want this extra copy of Ratio Review over here, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to X that out. And I'm going to try again. I must have opened it in another tab. So instead, I X that tab out and then I'm going to click Duelist again and click 6:4. And then there we go. It grabs one of my other tabs. And if I wanted to move it to a different tab, I could just click a different tab. But I wanted it to be on the question, so that's perfect. Now maybe you don't want the pictures to be bigger. Maybe instead you want to go to Duelist and you want the pictures to be smaller. So let me go 4 to 6. All right, and when I was playing around with this extension, I preferred for this task to use the 5 to 5, which is the equal ratio. Now I'm going to read the directions. Record your ratio answer 3 different ways. 2 to 5 with a 2 in between, 2 to 5 with a colon in between, and 2 to 5 with a fraction bar in between. Those are the 3 ways to write your ratio. The order is important. Notice that the 2 is always on the left and the 5 is always on the right. Example 1. What is the ratio of animals not holding coffee to animals holding coffee? So in your ratio, you have to make sure, well, let me go to the scribble, that on the left side of the ratio, you have the animals not holding coffee. And then on the right side of your ratio, you have the animals holding coffee. So I'm going to go over to my picture. And I'm going to move the animals not holding coffee to the left. So this animal's not holding coffee, this porcupine is not holding coffee, that bear is, this fox is, let me get these llamas out of the way, they're not holding coffee. Oh, there's another fox that's holding coffee. I think that's all of them that are holding coffee. Let me look over all the pictures, yes. What is the ratio of animals not holding coffee? So let me count the animals not holding coffee first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 animals not holding coffee. Oh, I need to go to the text. And I'll type 11, 2. And there are 3 animals that are holding coffee. So that would be this right side of the ratio. 11 to 3. Now, I also need to write it as 11, 2, 3. And 11 fraction bar 3. And then I'm going to move these so that this looks a little bit more neat. Right, example 2. What is the ratio of pigs to animals that are not pigs? So I'm going to put the pigs on the left side and all the other animals on the right side. There's another pig. Move that porcupine back over. There's another pig. I don't see any other pigs. So there are 3 pigs and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 that are not pigs. So my ratio this time is the opposite of what it was. It's now 3 to 11, which is a different ratio. So let me go to text and then I'll type 3 to 11, 3 colon 11, and then finally 3 fraction bar 11. So I wanted you to practice writing the ratio 3 different ways and remember that what comes first, well, let me use the scribble. What comes first goes on the left side of the ratio, and what comes second goes on the right side of the ratio. And the order is important.